I was looking for a provider to obviously fit the solar and batteries project that I had in mind, but the stumbling block for me was we'd moved into a new build. We already had a current solar system installed in the property, and I wasn't sure whether anybody would take this project on or even if it was possible until I reached out to DMH and spoke to Dan, who explained that it was possible, it would work, and then it started from there. So we've got the Sigenergy battery system with Longi Panels, 15 in total, and we've currently also got 6 Viridians in-roof panels already installed. So when Dan visited, he sat down and again, my fears were that the current panels were going to be redundant, wouldn't work with the system, but Dan explained that with the smart port on the Sig system, that this could be fully integrated with a few tweaks, reconnecting the current inverter into the smart port so it would all work, which was music to my ears. They've been working on my week through the heat wave. It's been blistering heat. I've not heard any complaining from any of the guys. They've grafted really hard. They've respected my property, cleaned up after themselves. Fantastic experience. For me, sign them up, get them in, get a quote. Fantastic guys.